Hello, hello, hello. My name is Wara. Welcome to, if it ever loads up, well, you'll see. I'm sure many of you, or anyone searching for this video, actually knows what this game is. And it's quite a good game. I myself have been watching Biffa Plays Indie Games, or Biffa Plays Strategy. Yeah, Biffa Plays Strategy. On this particular game. It's a lot of fun. Here we go. Dyson Sphere Program. This is only the third time I'm loading up this game. But otherwise, it's quite a bit of fun. And we'll just start from the beginning. So, Balrai, back. The music is a little bit loud, and I would imagine that you guys can't hear me. There we go. So, I am going to keep the resources as the same. Ooh. Just going to keep everything balanced. I want one that's connected to multiple worlds, though, to multiple star systems, though. Looks like it's only connected to 1, 2. Huh. Looks like I'm only gonna get 2, so let's... Well, that looks interesting. I have no idea how I'm gonna get there, so let's try this one. Adhafara, G-type star. I'm leaving everything as basic because I just want to have fun. 1 neutron star, 1 light dwarf, 1 black hole. Interesting.
Welcome to the actual universe. You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission.
That is beautiful. Of course, flying that close, the ship would probably be melted, but...
Everything here is yours. As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere Program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
And to drive, it seems like it's just W. Ooh, purple planet. Up at Adhafara 4. Here we are in Adhafara 2.
Now you are about to reach the designated planet.
Yep. Copper, stone, iron. I believe that's supposed to be iron up there on the upper right.
This is Icarus, a lightweight industrial mecha with powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement. In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles. You can use the same operation to collect resources, such as trees, gravel, etc. In the meantime, hold down Shift and right-click to give a series of commands.
There we go.
You receive several items after recycling the space capsule. click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
Which is E. And then to put them in, it's there.
You can hold down mouse middle button drag to rotate the angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Well, hello there. Background. Background. In the future, human beings enter the ranks of advanced civilizations, and the power of science and technology brings rapid development. People use virtual reality to iterate time and space, create a virtual universe much larger than the real world, and gradually transfer human consciousness into the virtual universe. The operation of the virtual world requires supercomputing power. For this reason, human beings circle the sun and create a supercomputer, the center brain, hoping to use its powerful computing power to expand the virtual home. The computing power of the center brain gradually reaches its limit because the number of consciousnesses continue to grow. Consciousnesses continue to grow.
You have not unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research. Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen to open the technology tree and activate a research.
Do that in a minute. If we want to accommodate more, I'm just gonna correct my own grammar, the grammar errors on my own. If we want to accommodate more consciousness, it needs more energy supply. So the Cosmo launched an engineering project codenamed Dyson Sphere Program, sending engineers to the real world to build the Dyson Sphere to provide continuous and stable energy for the center brain. As a member of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere Program, you will control the mecha on an unknown journey by using the terminal. You need to gather resources, plan and design production lines, gradually realize full automation, starting from scratch, and transform your factory from a small workshop, developing into a magnificent intergalactic industrial empire. Finally, build a great miracle, the Dyson Sphere. Builders of great civilizations, in this process you are bound to encounter many difficulties. After all, the universe is so large that anything can happen. However, your creativity and imagination will help you accomplish this great goal. The entire cluster will become the cornerstone of human civilization under your plan. Cool. Hey. Go away. Okay. T. Electromagnetism. So I need 10 magnetic coils. Let's see here. If I remember right, F for that. And I can produce exactly 10. Oh, crude oil right there. That's actually really nice. Research complete. Electromagnetism. You have unlocked a new automatic mining machine, which will automatically collect ores for you. Of course, its capacity is limited. You may wish to transport these minerals to the smelting facility automatically.
You have created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation. Pick it up from the inventory, or select it on Gathering of Construction menu to build it.
Oh.
You can use the R key to rotate the mining machine for covering more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered. If you want to ignore grid snapping, try holding down the Shift key.
Let's see here. Yeah, we'll just put you right there.
One of your production facilities is not powered. You need to keep it within the power coverage area and supply it with power facilities in order to maintain its normal works. Wind turbine. You have established your first power grid. Not all power facilities has its power supply area. Use the Tesla Tower to extend the area of the power grid.
Okay, let's see here. Perfect. Let's craft 4 more of those. Now I'm gonna need... Whoa. Okay.
You have
Lucky.
done building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short-distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
67% satisfaction. Okay, so I need... Oh. So, one trick that I've learned is that you can turn off construction mode with B. Turn it on and off with the B. Ah, yes. Oh, wait. Key. Basic logistics. See here, I need 10 of these, which I get 1 from each. See here. I get 1 of each. And I need 10 of these, which I get 2. Wait. Yeah. Which I get 2 of these. You can see it right here. And then here's how many you need to make 2 of those. Automatic metallurgy, assembly machine, fuel storage encapsulation, high efficiency plasma control. Oh, you have unlocked automatic logistics, the conveyor belt and sorter. You can use them to automatically transport the ores gathered in the mining machine for smelting or to load them into storage.
You have received the sorter and the conveyor belt, which can achieve full automation now. Use the conveyor belt to transport the piled up ores from the mining machine, and the sorter can deliver the ores from the conveyor belt to the smelter for automatic smelting.
There we go. Okay. In queue. Let's see here, I need 20 of these. Of these. Here, I need... Well, we'll just do that. Let's see here. The right middle mouse button.
When putting a conveyor belt, all you need to do is determine the starting point and the end point of it. In addition, use the up arrow key to lift up one level, and use the down arrow key to drop down one level after the conveyor belt is lifted. Press keypad 0 to reset the construction height of the conveyor belt to the ground. If you don't want the conveyor belt to be attached to the building, you can try holding down the shift key.
Okay. Come on, thank you.
You built a storage, which can be used to store cargo. You can manually store or use the sorter to automatically stock the cargo. The sorter is a transportation connector of cargoes between facilities. It will automatically transport them as long as the supply facility and the receiving facility are bridged.
That's going to be quite a few. Oh. I should... Let's see here. I need 9 of those. And I need... I think I only need 8 of these. Yep. Oh boy. Oh. Yeah. A lot of the early game stuff is just sitting around doing stuff. Automatic metallurgy. You have unlocked a smelter. It will automatically smelt base materials such as iron and copper ingots for you. To achieve full automation, you need to use a sorter to automatically put the ores on the conveyor belt into the smelter. I want to see if I can cheat.
You built a smelter, which can smelt basic materials, such as iron ingots and copper ingots automatically, while you want to make the raw materials and products get in and out of it autonomously. You need to use sorters and conveyor belts.
Oh, okay, that's how I get into the guidebook. Good to know.
You have a building without recipe set. Please set the recipe you want. After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
Wait, greater than key to copy the recipe and the less than key. Okay. Greater than, less than? Ah, there they are. Okay. You select the recipe. I want you to smelt copper. And I want you to smelt iron.
After selecting the recipe, you can use the less than key to copy the recipe and the greater than key to paste the next building that needs to set the same recipe.
That audio is a little loud. I think that would be ambient noise. Let's drop you down to 50. Or would that be sound effects? Better, I think. Maybe a little quieter for me. Let's just make sure. Ah, yes. And I would imagine... that I am running low on power. Yep. Let's see here. Well, that's still plenty of the basic game done, or of the starting stuff done. So, if you, well, actually, not that. I gotta save. Wait, what's the name of the map? What's the name of this world? Adhagar. Ah, there it is. Adhafera. Save. Adhafera 0001. Hey. Okay. Well, that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please leave a like. If you really enjoyed it, please subscribe. Either really helps in getting these videos out there. Oh, and don't forget the notification bell. Links are on the end screen or in the description below. Have a blessed day, and see you guys next time.